We're still tracking the tropics here now at the end of September. Two named storms, one in the eastern Pacific and one in the Atlantic basin now. So we'll give you an update there. We'll talk about the flash flood threat still in place over the Ohio Valley and into the Gulf Coast states, and some spotty severe storms developing today in the Northeast as well. But Tropical Storm Kirk was a thing a couple of days ago, diminished yesterday, but now has regained strength back to tropical storm status. The National Hurricane Center keeps it as a tropical storm through the end of the week here as it impacts the Lesser Antilles with tropical storm force winds, and then maybe diminishing back down to tropical depression status there. But that wave of energy, low probability of tropical formation over the next 5 days, will bring some rain to the Outer Banks and the eastern portions of North Carolina. That wave kind of sitting up in the central Atlantic. As we take a look at the eastern Pacific, though, we have Tropical Storm Rosa, which could become a hurricane at some point today, and then maybe a major hurricane tomorrow as it lifts north through the end of the week and weekend ahead. Still as a hurricane, but at this point not impacting the Mexican mainland. So other than Rosa, we have that wave, which is drifting closer to Hawaii. We'll have to watch that. But we still have some flash flood watches from Ohio and West Virginia through Kentucky, and then down into Mississippi and Alabama, as well as parts of Tennessee. But some 1+ inch tallies there. Could see some 2-inch tallies a little bit closer to, well, Birmingham and Jackson and Mobile. But some of this rain is going to be shifting up into the northeast as well. Maybe not quite as heavy, but still some near 1-inch tallies. And some of the thunderstorms this afternoon could be producing some large hail and damaging winds. We're still under that slight risk of severe weather, basically from Washington, D.C. all the way up to Maine. Out west, we do have some elevated fire weather concerns. Fire weather watch is posted there. And looking at our threat for severe weather, again, it shifts east. But that colder air is now moving in. Widespread frost and freeze concerns into the plains, where temperatures will be well below average.